Gravel.
I don't know about this. Up and over. And here we are in front of our Rock Creek Farm area with my brother as the tour guide, exploring Colorado trail systems near his house.
This is beautiful, especially since it's that close to the house.
We're so jealous of all his quick, easy trail systems. Let's party. Beer break time. Yeah. And after beers, biking home, woo! We are hoping to beat the rain home. We shall see if we make it.
You think we'll make it beating the camera home or beating the camera home, Jesus? Beating the rain home?
I sure hope so. Ooh, look at those storm clouds up there.
Woo. All right, let's do this, man. If we're not careful, we may get hailed on. So, won't be the first time. Remember that? We're not on the trails because we're having to take more of a direct route because of the impending thunderstorms. But, yeah, hopefully we can beat it. Husband. Pavement. Huzzah! Huzzah! starting to rain. I hope we make it home in time. We can already hear thunder in the distance. Right over there.
Made it home dry. Hello. Well, we definitely have some lightning and thunder happening. Real close.
Yeah, made it home though.
But we made it home.
Yeah.
Nice and dry. In we go. Whew. There we are.
It's a nice ride.
Nice ride. Beautiful trails here in Colorado.
Oh yeah.
10 out of 10 would recommend. But we gotta get inside because it's definitely thunderstorming here. We want to say thanks to Nathaniel for being our tour guide. And
yeah, fantastic beers, all of it.
Yeah, I'm Christina.
I'm Eric.
We are
Roosevelt's
Ride. We'll see you on the trail.
Take care.
Oh.